Is there a storage limit in ClickUp? And for instance, is there a limit to the number of clips that you can have in your Clips Hub?
So yes, for users on the free plan, there's 100 megabyte storage limit, and your clips do count toward that limit. If you are on any of the paid plans, however, it is unlimited storage. I also wanted to add to that the ClickUp Clips Hub is currently in beta. So it's free and available to everybody right now, but that could change in the future. So if it's something that you'd like to explore, now would be the great time to do that because it is in beta and available to everyone. But don't be surprised if there's a little switcheroo as they finish testing it and finalizing it, that there are some limitations in the free plan as opposed to the paid plans.
Yeah, I do. I love how ClickUp is trying to give us the kind of features that we typically are getting with these other integrated tools, all within the price of ClickUp. Like I just think it's such a game changer, like to be able to use whiteboards and clips and all these other things, like right there. I don't have to jump from this system to that system. It's just such a time saver, right?
Yeah. Even changing your Spotify.
Even changing your Spotify. Yeah. All right.
And that's actually very useful, though. Universal search, there's a lot more to say about that and being able to search other tools like HubSpot, but that's for another webinar.
Yeah, that's great.